Hello guys, and welcome back to Disruption Mag TV. If you are anything like me, you've been going crazy during this pandemic, and there's nothing better else to do than what? Online shopping. So today, this is very unconventional for the channel, but I'll be doing another luxury unboxing. So before we get into that, make sure you hit follow and stay tuned. Okay, so today's video is all about Burberry London. You know, I'm such a Louis girl that I never thought I would actually buy anything Burberry, but when Riccardo Tisci became the creative director, I love him. So I'm like, I'm pretty sure he's gonna do some dope stuff, and it's gonna be that dope piece down the road that I'm just gonna have to cop. And that piece has finally arrived. Okay, so if you have been a long follower of the Burberry brand, you know that Burberry has gotten a refresh branding monogram logo under the direction of Riccardo Tisci. So the new monogram logo, which I love, actually includes the initials of the founder, Thomas Burberry. So I love the refresh and rebranding of it. It's very digital friendly. It's very on trend. Although I do love the classic, monogram of the Burberry. It's just like over the years, we can all agree it needed a kind of a 2020 refresh. The new logo is a bit flashy, but I love it. They needed something that was fun. They needed something that was fresh. So I think it's cool, and I like that they're playing around with colors and stuff like that. Let me know in the comments of your thoughts or whatever, if you like the new logo or not. But so let's get into it. This is the box that it came in. Very huge, because I actually ordered a swimsuit, a hat, and a bag. Now the swimsuit, I believe, is coming in a separate box, but hey, we're gonna show you what we have today. So, big box. So this is how the two boxes came in. Okay, let's take out one thing first. See what this is. So if you're familiar with Burberry, they have like the green tinted kind of wrapping paper, if you can see. It comes packaged like that. And this is my hat. So this is the 2020 logo TB monogram. This is the new logo that I was speaking about. So the TB, which has the Thomas Burberry initials. So this is the latest collection, the summer collection 2020. And I had to get it because, first of all, I just love the colors. It's giving me very New York Knicks, honestly. But, you know, I love the colors. Orange is one of my favorite colors, and I love the blue. So, yeah, I definitely wanted it. And then when I saw it advertised on the gram, oh, she is cute. What y'all think? So the matching monogram, I got the bathing suit to match this print, as well as the bum bag, they like to call it, but I would still like to call it the fanny pack. So let's see. Also came with the tinted. And the bag came with the duster bag, which is really cute and cool. This is also like a tinted green, which is cool, refreshed. And this is the bum bag. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so cute. So cute. You can see. Then it has a zipper also in the back, which will be easier for me to place my phone, so I'm not digging when I'm rocking this or whatever. I don't know if it has a pocket in the inside. Let's see. Oh, so it does have a pocket in the inside. Take this out real quick. You guys can see the logo on the top and a little inside pocket. So What do you guys think? Do you love it? I actually love it. Like, Ricardo, I love what he's doing with the brand. Like I said, I love this color pattern. It was so hard to choose from which color pattern that I wanted, but I think I made the right decision. I also have a t-shirt dress coming in, a Burberry t-shirt dress coming in. So once I get this swimsuit, I'll show you guys how everything looks together, because I'm obsessive and I wanted to rock it all together because it looks so dope like that. So let me know what you guys think. Are you feeling the new Monogram? Are you feeling it? Are you feeling the color and pattern? Just let me know in the comments. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Because this print is so flashy and so bold, you're only going to be able to wear certain things with it. But what I want to do, stay tuned, is show you at least 3 outfits that you can rock wearing either the hat together with the bag or separately. So let's get into these looks.
After years and years. Package so cute.
Okay guys, it's all finally here. So first impressions, I absolutely love this print, but my favorite things of course are the hat and the matching fanny pack. Now I did notice the fanny pack orange is kind of like darker than the bodysuit, which is not a big deal, but I did notice that. Now they are out of my size, so I actually went down on the bodysuit. But if you are interested in buying this, I would say get your actual size because it's a little snug, it's a little tight. But like I said, I am just obsessed with this print. Like, it's just so cute. So this is one way you can rock this look. I just did it with some high-waist shorts.
Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, twist and turn.
Classic way is just to throw on some boyfriend or mom jeans. And because I love everything high-waisted, of course, this is another high-waist moment. And just wearing it like a traditional to the side fanny pack. It's a second look that you can do with this. Very simple to go, hell, we can throw this on to go shopping, to go out with your friends, bowling night, girls' day, out, I don't know. It's just cute and simple to just to throw on. And this is another option if you want to wear like all of the pieces together. Nah, you don't have to if this is a little too much logo mania for you. But I think denim looks really good with this, just as much as the black. So. Okay, and the third way I will say how you can rock it. Now, there are multiple ways that you can incorporate this bold print into your wardrobe, but this has to be one of the ones that seem more like me. I love mixing brands, and you know, Hook by Air is coming back out. Well, it is back out, and I'm so excited. It's always been one of my favorite streetwear brands, so I'm glad to have it back. So I would throw on this little dress. Guys can't really see. And then just rock the bucket hat and the fanny. And this would be a go-to look for me, just to go pretty much anywhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you guys think about what Ricardo Tizzy is doing at Burberry, because I love to hear you guys' feedback. But till next time, stay fly.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.